wild night of severe weather last night. Emily Sutton will have a full recap for us coming up in just a few. But first, we need to check in with Emily Akins, joining us now live in Anadarko, one of the hardest hit areas in Oklahoma. Emily.
Hey, good morning, you two. Well, yeah, we're getting a better look at some of the damage since we last saw you. We moved down a couple of blocks from the courthouse. We're now at 2nd and Broadway, where you can see the front of this building really just collapsed. Looks like it fell straight backwards. The front door there, you can see amidst all of that brick that has crumbled now to the sidewalk. And it's not just this front wall I want you to look at. The side wall, too, also kind of crumbling inwards here as well. Now, we haven't heard of any injuries here in Anadarko, so hopefully nobody was inside the building when this happened. We believe this is sort of part of a lumber yard here in town, but they've got a significant amount of damage to this specific building. Doesn't look like really it's salvageable at this point. I'm sure once they kind of comb through the debris here, they'll be able to pick out some things that they'll be able to save, but most of it looks like it's destroyed here from the overnight storms. Now, to the left, part of the building is still standing, so that's some good news there, but that's really about it, Allie Ken. If you look straight back, you can see all the way through what was this building. So again, a lot of damage here in town in Anadarko. We've been kind of scoping out this downtown area, but also you'll notice the roads here look fairly clear. A couple of bricks have made it sort of into the street, but most of the roads in town are at least passable. City crews working hard overnight to make sure that if people had emergencies, they were able to drive here in town. But again, this is near 2nd and Broadway, some of the worst damage we have seen yet this morning as far as buildings go. Of course, we will continue to be here in town, and we'll bring you all the latest from those overnight storms. Allie Kent.
All right, Emily, thank you for that.
Well, they got lots of damage there in Anadarko. They're not alone, unfortunately.
No, Emily Sutton was watching it all develop yesterday as that line just moved on through. I think you were saying earlier, preliminary data shows 10 tornado touchdowns yesterday.
That's right, at least, and usually the preliminary count is on the low end, and it was mainly one mesocyclone, a huge storm that produced several different tornadoes moving to the northeast. We also had some damaging winds and large hail. Damaging winds impacted the metro. Take a look at this video. This is from Yukon, and you can see the winds howling. Boy, these storms were electric, a ton of lightning and sideways rain at times. We even had some localized flooding. Norman hail, yep, most places golf ball sized hail, but we had some spots where it was larger than that, and unfortunately it did cause some damage. You can see this broken window in Norman. Now, the storms began late Sunday to the southwest Sunday afternoon and then raced off to the northeast, moving into the metro when it was dark. Nighttime tornadoes, of course, always scary. And it was east of I-35 that we had this little cluster of tornadoes, and then more developed again in eastern Oklahoma.